Hello, my name is Franakasiana Bennett. I'm from DE3. Today I want to present about industrial training. Firstly, content. Introduction, objective, company overview, mission and vision, service provided by SP Technic, project title, and lastly, conclusion. Okay, introduction. The purpose of industrial training is to expose students to real work of environment experience at the same time to gain the knowledge through hand-on observation and job execution. Second, to provide students the opportunity to test their interest in a particular career before permanent commitment are made. Okay, now it's objective. To build the strength, teamwork spirit, and self-confidence in student life. To enhance the ability to improve student creativity, skill, and sharing idea. Third, to develop skill in application of theory to practical work situation. And these are the company logo and address. SP Technic Engineering. Mission and vision. Vision, to be a leading company in the field of electrical contractor and respected globally. Mission, making the organization an inspiring choice toward implemented performance excellence. Service provided by SP Technic, PABX and telephone system, air conditioning system, wiring, rewiring, extra low voltage system, and lastly maintenance. Project title 1, solar lighting installation. Location at Taman Jaya, Petaling Jaya. Handled by Muhammad Zulfadli bin Muhammad Zahid. Procedure, erect a lamppost using skylift, tighten a lamppost screw using adjustable wrench, install the solar lamp on the solar lamp post and tighten the solar lamp using head key. And lastly, be sure to press on button on the solar light. Solar lamp are installed and tightened on the lamp post. 2. The solar lamp is ready to be installed. Make sure to press on button on the solar lamp. Okay, project 2 is changing the spotlight. Location, Taman Botani, Putrajaya, handled by Azmi bin Chezan. Procedure, turn off the power supply before start changing spotlight, replacing the old spotlight. Open the spotlight case using adjustable wrench. Insert a new spotlight on the side provided. Connect the incoming cable to the spotlight using connector. Reinsert the spotlight case to preventive on the spotlight. These are the picture of changing spotlight. The picture show an old and damaged spotlight. Second, the old spotlight is removed and new spotlight is inserted. Terminate the spotlight cable on the connector. And lastly, the spotlight is ready to be installed. Project 3, planting copper rod and installing chamber. Location, Majlis Bandaraya Shah Alam, MBSA, handled by Azmi bin Chezan. Procedure, start work by hoeing the soil to plant the chamber using a hoe. After finish hoeing, insert the chamber in the space provided. 3. Insert the copper rod into a chamber using a hammer. Insert at least 2 copper rods. Take the chamber reading after planting the copper rod. Make sure the chamber reading does not exceed 10 ohm. These are the picture of planting chamber and copper rod. For the chamber planting task, start the hoeing work and prepare the site for the chamber planting. Second, insert the copper rod using a hammer and be sure to take the chamber reading. Insert copper rod of at least 2 copper rod. And lastly, picture of the chamber were ready to be installed and ohm reading were taken. Project 4, installation of new street lighting unit. Location, MBSA, Masjid Bandaraya Shah Alam, handled by Azmi Wichezan. Procedure: remove the old and damaged street light using wrench and hacky. Insert the new lamp post, a lamp housing, and insert bulb. When ready to tighten the lamp housing, insert the live, neutral, and earth cable on the lamp connector. When done, insert the light fuse to keep the street light on. The picture shows the street light damage and all. Remove the old housing to replace the new one. Okay, second, insert the new housing and terminate the cable on the connector. The picture shows the street light has been installed and have been terminated. Okay, project 5, change the distribution board, DB. Location at Perumahan Polis Desa Tasik, Sungai Besi, Kuala Lumpur. Handled by Azmi Wichezan. Procedure: once the fuse is unplugging, open the old distribution board and separate the socket cable. Open the old DB using a hammer. Start a new DB on the old side and mark the hole before punching the wall. Start the work of connecting the short cable. Connect the cable connector and crimp the cable link using a crimping tool. Burn the heat shrink tube and start the cable termination work. Insert the cable at the correct terminal. The old DB is converted to the new DB. Enter the new DB and terminate and the existing cable on the DB. The DB is ready to be installed and ready to use. Okay, lastly, conclusion. During my industrial training, there are many changes from the point of learning environment and discussion among colleagues. It can directly increase the dedication and rational attitude toward myself. Last, I can conclude that each industry is through training I receive a lot of exposure in the electrical world. I would like to thank you also to Expetania Engineering giving me experience with having industrial training like this. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.